Good morning, students. We are in second part of introduction part 2 of chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. The two topics are remaining, that is quadrilateral and the another one is circle. So let's start with the quadrilateral. The figure of quadrilateral will be this polygon. A quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. Consider quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. The sides are AB line segment, BC line segment, CD line segment and DA line segment. Now vertices are point A, point B, point C, point D. Now let's start with the angles. I will show you all the things in this figure only, then you all are able to understand. So this quadrilateral's continuation is here in slides, but I will show you and I will read all the things in this figure only, then you all are able to understand. Now let's talk about the angles जो इस स्लाइड्स में दिए हुए हैं सेकेंड स्लाइड्स में, but you observe this figure and try to understand, then I will show you one by one. So angle A, angle B, angle C and D are the angles of quadrilateral. Now adjacent sides, so AB line segment and BC line segment, this is called adjacent sides जो जुड़े हुए हैं एक दूसरे से, AB line segment and BC line segment. Now BC line segment and CD line segments, this is the BC line segment and CD line segment. Then CD line segment and DA line segment. Now DA line segment, AB line segment. So these are called the four pairs of adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. See all of you, AB line segment and BC line segment, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. This is called adjacent side. Okay. Now next one is, यहाँ से आप start कर रहे हो BC से, तो ये CD. This one is the another pair. If you start from here CD, then it will be DA. And if you start from here DA line segment, then AB line segment. This is the four pairs of the adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. Now opposite sides. So if you see the opposite sides, then see AD. Then its opposite is BC. If you see the AB, then its opposite is DC. So these are the two pairs of opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Understood all of you? AD, इसका opposite क्या होगा? BC. If you are seeing this way, AB, then its opposite sides are DC. So these are the two pairs of the opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Now see the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles कौन कौन से हैं? मतलब साथ में जो होते हैं उनको adjacent angle बोलते हैं. So adjacent angle में A and B is the adjacent angle, B and C is the adjacent angle, C and D is the adjacent angle, D and A is the adjacent angle. Understood? Let's see one more time. A and B is the adjacent angle. Then B and C is the adjacent angle, C and D is the adjacent angle, and D and A is the adjacent angle. Now opposite angles. तो A का opposite angle A है यहाँ पे, तो इसका opposite कौन है? Angle C. Correct. If you see the angle B, then its opposite is angle D. So these are the two pairs of the opposite angles of the quadrilateral. So I hope so all of you understand the sides, vertices, angles, adjacent sides, opposite sides, adjacent angle and opposite angle. So these are there in this next slides. Okay. See this one. Right now we understood all of you. Next one, adjacent angles and opposite angles. Now let's see our next topic, that is circle. A circle is made up of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. the fixed point is called a center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. आप सबको सर्कल ड्रॉ करना आता है. You already studied in 5th standard how to draw with the help of rounder and pencil, and you can take the measure of radius, that is with the help of scale. If 2 centimeter का आपको radius लेना है तो you have to take the measure of 2 centimeter with the help of scale and rounder and pencil, and you are draw the circle this way. So that's why a circle is made up of all the points which are equidistance. Distance सबका equidistance होगा from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Now let's see the parts of the circle, then I will show you in the diagram also. Okay, so first of all you have to know the definition. Chord. This is called chord. A segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called chord of the circle. Chord is diameter. A chord of a circle that passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. What is arc? An arc is a part of a circle. Okay. Now what is sector? A region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc and 2 radius of the circle is called sector of the circle. ये सब आपको ड्रॉ करने का आएगा. एक रफ सर्कल आपको ड्रॉ करना है कोई भी मेजर लेके, और उसमें आपको ये सब शो करना होगा. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस आपके प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज में 4.6 में है. तो अभी right now I will explain it very well in this diagram, and I will show how to draw also. Okay, segment. A region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc and a chord is called a segment of the circle. Now let's see all the terms in the circle. See, this is one circle I draw here. Now this one is a center of the circle. The center of the circle कौन होगा? C. You can see now, all of you. Center of the point is C. Now observe properly. C से A तक मैंने जो लाइन ड्रॉ किया है that is called radius. CA is a radius. Okay. Now what is diameter? The center of the circle. Center of the circle को क्या बोलेंगे हम? A chord of a circle that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. तो हमारा diameter क्या है? Q and R. See, diameter Q and R. Now chord. Chord क्या है? This one is called chord. So chord is a BD. BD. A segment joining any 2 points. यहां से यहां तक, आप यहां से यहां तक भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है. A segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called chord of the circle. So chord of the circle हमारा कौन सा है? B and D. This is called chord of the circle. Now arc of the circle. See, you can see the arc. यहां से यहां तक लिया है मैंने arc. देखो, S, point S, P and Q. S, P and Q. ये जो ड्रॉ किया है, this is called arc of the circle. Okay. Understood all of you? S, P and Q. ये जो आपको येलो कलर का लाइन ड्रॉ किया हुआ दिख रहा है, that is called arc of the circle. Okay. Now what is segment and the sector? So segment जो है, a region in the interior, a region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc. ये दिख रहा है? A region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by the arc. यहां से यहां तक. Okay. And chord. This is chord. is called the segment of the circle. एक तो आर्क से एंड कोड से जो एनक्लोज है और इंटीरियर होना चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेगमेंट ऑफ द सर्कल. Understood? Now last is sector. What is sector? A region in the interior. Now all of you understood now what is interior? Okay. So interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc. Again this is arc. Okay. And two radii. This one and this one of the circle. Okay. Two radii of the circle is called sector of the circle. तो यहां से यहां तक, from pink color आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा, you can see all of you, this pink color is called sector. That means R and A, these two. Okay, so these are the parts of the circle and I show you in the diagram also. So I hope you all of you understood. So here we come to end of the introduction part 2. In next video we will learn the quadrilateral chapter in 4.5 and 4.6 circle. Thank you.